It's 8:09. I got up like 7 and I made myself breakfast. It's like 7:40 something. That's not important, but I made myself breakfast. It's just some toast and my coffee as always and my water. God, I'm tired. We have church this morning. So I'm not sure how long today's vlog is gonna be. I mean, I'll record like the drive there, maybe the drive back, but it's kind of dark and gloomy today. I'll also try to remember to show you my outfit, but I usually forget that too. But anyway, I'm just gonna eat and then get ready for church. And I'll try really hard to remember to show you my outfit for today. But anyway, I'm gonna end this here so I can eat breakfast and everything. So I'll talk to you in a little bit. Okay, so here's my outfit for today. We just got home from church and I didn't have time to show you my outfit, so I'm going to show you now. It's this purple shirt I got for Christmas last year and my black leggings and my Nikes, as always. I was going to put on a cardigan, but I forgot to grab it before we left. But anyway, that's my outfit for today. And I'll speak to you in a little bit. Okay, here's my lunch for today. It's just some leftovers from last night. I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos. Oops. I use my flashlight because it's dark in here. Because it's like all dark and gloomy outside. And I don't feel like turning on my ceiling light. And it's not that dark in real life. Like IRL. But it's dark in the camera, so I went ahead and turned on my flash. But anyway, I'm gonna eat lunch and watch some YouTube videos, and I'll speak to you in a little bit. I think I'm gonna paint my nails. No, no. I'm sorry. Not today. I'm sorry, I'm talking to Tigger. He's right here. You can't see him. But I think I'm going to paint my nails. Now, I have to decide between purple. This is a purple from Wet n Wild. I don't know what the shade name is Beauty is a Battlefield. And I have this red called Pure Ice Shine with Gel Tech. And it's in the shade 1236. And then I have this black and by Broadway Nails Gel Strong Nail Polish, and it's in the shade Black as Black. Now, I'm tempted when I paint my nails with the purple. It gets like this texture to it, and I kind of like that. And it's a pretty purple, but also red or black for Halloween, like fall time. I have this mint green, but I feel like that's a summer color. It's mint candy apple from Essie. It's really expensive, and it's like all dried out. It's like basically dried out now. I need to get some more nail polish. I've just never been that into painting my nails. I may go into my mom's room and see what nail polishes she has. But for now, I think I'm gonna do that. And when I decide a color, after I decide a color and paint my nails, I'll let you know. And I'll speak to you in a little bit. I picked a fingernail polish at one of my mom's room and got one. It's this, hey, it matches my shirt. It's this purpley color by Wet n Wild. And it's called Grape Minds Think Alike. So we have a grape pun because it's purple. But anyway, I'm gonna take what's left of this nail polish off my hands and then paint my fingers that color and watch me into videos while I'm doing it. So we'll talk to you in a little bit. Ooh, that was creepy. My closet's open. But anyway, I wanted to update you. It's 6:09. I finished painting my nails and I started on my outline for my paper. And you know, I tried the lotion again, and I put it on this morning. I'm not sure how I feel about it. Maybe I just need to like focus it on my dry area, like on my nose, just around my nose, because it's making my face feel oily at the end of the day, and that's probably why it was like breaking me out. I don't know, but yeah, I'm just waiting for dinner to finish. I'm not cooking tonight. Destiny is. Well, dinner just finished making. I'm gonna go in there in a minute and make me a plate. But that's my update for now. And the next clip should be me showing you my dinner. Dinner tonight's just really simple. It's just some homemade hamburger helper. And I'm gonna drink my water. And I'm gonna watch this video. And then I'm gonna finish my draft. But for now, that's it for now, and I'll speak to you in a little bit. It's about 8 o'clock, and I've just been working on my English paper. Well, the outline to my English paper and watching YouTube videos. So I think we're gonna end this here because when I finish this, I'm just gonna go to bed. So I'm gonna go ahead and say good night. Good night. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my video, and good